From the automotive capital of the world, Detroit, Michigan, welcome to The Car Show with Roger Kwapich, Dan Pietras, and Steve Stewart.
Let's go to Tom. Tom has a 2012 Ford F-150. Tom, how many miles on your F-150?
44,000.
All right. What's going on with you got a starting problem? What's happening there?
Yeah, well, it just happened once. I went to a function. I came out, hit my remote to open the doors, and nothing. So I used the key to open it. No lights, no nothing. I thought, son of a gun, somebody stole my battery. So I pop open the hood. Battery's still there. Everything is tight, you know. Tried the lights, nothing. The only thing would work was the horn. So I arced across the battery, had plenty of juice. I could have welded with that.
Wish you wouldn't have done that, but go ahead.
Okay. And, still nothing. So somebody suggested disconnect the battery, let it set for 10 minutes, and hook it back up. I did that, and it started right up.
Yeah. Okay, next question. How old's the battery?
Well, it's
the original?
From 2012. It's the original.
Okay, so here you just answered your question. All new vehicles today, or even in the past 10 years, they have battery saver features. Like if you would leave a dome light on, in 15 minutes they would shut off. So what's going on is the battery is ready to fail. It fell below a certain voltage. So we believe if you buy a battery and replace it, buy it with at least the same cold cranking amps or higher, and your problem's going to go away. You won't have that problem again.
Actually, you're probably lucky that you've gone as far as you have. You've got a 2012. You haven't driven it a lot, which means it sets a lot. And when it's doing that, of course, that's when the battery dies. That's when it sulfates. So what I would suggest is absolutely that. I mean, I don't even care if that would be the problem. But in your particular case, it absolutely is. Make sure when you go buy a battery, don't buy one for cost. That may be a mistake. But a PowerFrame grid technology battery are really, really good batteries that will last longer because of the technology. So you may want to consider replacing it with a PowerFrame grid technology battery.
Right, and always remember that with batteries, like what Roger stated about buying a battery on sale and, watch it because of the date coding. You could buy a battery that's already 2 years old and not realize it, even though you have a warranty replaced on it. So that's the issue. Just look for the PowerFrame technology. It'll be stamped right onto the battery, and that is the way to go because you will get the life out of it.